Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the series of building MERN blog app, in the last video we discussed how we can set up Node.js application in our system, whether it is Linux, macOS or Windows. And we also created a basic server application with express.js. So now in this video we are going to learn how we can connect our Node.js backend application to MongoDB cloud. So let's get started. So to connect our Node.js backend application to MongoDB on cloud, we need to make sure that we have an account on MongoDB cloud. So let me show you. You need to just go there inside cloud.mongodb.com, and after open it, if you have not logged in, you will be prompted with a screen to log in or to create an account. So you can choose whether you want to create an account if you don't have any, or you can just simply log in and come here inside the home screen. So you have to just click here inside the box and you have to create a new project. Okay, so let us give a project name, new YT MERN blog app, and I will copy it. Okay, and let's select key for application and your username, click next and click create project. It will take some time depending upon the internet speed, so I think it's now done. Okay, so let us now create a cluster and let us click on the free, and inside this name I will write the same as previous and I will click on create deployment. Okay, so we are deploying your changes. Yep, and we have to set up our password. So let me hide it first and write my password, and username should be, yep. Okay, let me copy it and let us click on choose connection method. Okay, firstly we have to create database user and then let us choose a connection method. We need compass, and as you can see, it is now giving us a big string. It is our connection strings, so through it we are going to connect our Node.js application to MongoDB. Okay, and come inside our VS Code, and inside this .env just paste here, and yeah, this is our long string. So let me quickly explain it to you. So this is our username and this is our password and this is our project name. Okay, let me close it again and come here inside the app.js, and we have to now connect our Node.js backend application with MongoDB cloud. So we need a package. Let me install that. It's Mongoose. So Mongoose is a tool or library, we can say, which is used to communicate with MongoDB cloud or MongoDB databases. So let me create a new folder and I will say make directory connection, and it will create a directory for me. So let me create a file as con.js, and this is our connection file through which we are going to connect our Node.js application to MongoDB and cloud. So as we have already mentioned here that we are going to write module code, so let me import Mongoose first. Okay, so after importing Mongoose, I will create a function to connect to MongoDB, and I want to make it async, which means I have to wait until the connection is done. And inside an error, first of all let throw an error, MongoDB connection failed, and let write the error, and then we are going to exit by giving code 1. Okay, so inside the try part we are going to try to connect with MongoDB database. So let me write connection equal await. We need to first await because it will take some time, right? mongoose.connect, and inside this connect we have to provide the URI. So as you know, our URI is available on process.env dot, and let me copy it. Yep, MongoDB URI, and inside .env make sure to cut this slash. Okay, after doing it, there is still one problem. We don't have provided the database name. So let me create a utilities file, and inside this utility file I will create constant.js, and inside this I will write the database name. Okay, so export const db name, and db name should be any string. So I will write new yt MERN blog app. Okay, and inside this we will make sure that we will provide it the database name, otherwise it will give us an error. So I will write db name, and after writing this, let us console that hey, database is running on this host. So database connected, and let us print the host name, so which is connection. Okay, I need connection dot host, I guess. Yep, it is actually connection, this variable name, and then inside there is a connection and then host. Let me export it from here, export default, and then connect database. Okay, so after creating our function to connect database to MongoDB, let us check if it is working. So inside this app.js I will cut app.get and write here import connection. Okay, import connect db from connection, and after writing this, let me call this function and let us check if it is working fine. Let me check what is the start command. Yep, actually it's start, npm start, and it is giving us an error saying that error module not found, cannot find module. Yep, I know, it's actually this JS problem. We have to provide .js, and inside this constant we also have to write .js. Okay, so as you can see, backend running on 8000, which means this is our port, and after this connect database connected and this host name. So this is how we connect our Node.js backend application to MongoDB cloud. So as now we have already done connection with MongoDB. So in the next video we are going to understand and create all the models that we are going to use in this blog application. So we will meet in the next video. Till then,